Okay, we're going to do a simple oval and heart and Gravit. I do like Gravit as it works very similar to Illustrator. We're going to click on our path tool and we're going to use the pen. So right now we're going to do a combination of our clicks and drags. So we're going to click on A and drag to B, which allows the curve to then come out. We're going to click on C and drag down to D. We're going to click on E and we're going to drag to F. We're going to click on G. I want to drag to H. And when we click back on A, it closes the path and then we drag over and then completes the circle. You can then, the oval, you can then fill it in with whatever color you want. You can then also then change the size. So let's say you can type the number in, or you can uh, arrow it up and arrow it down, and you can also then change the color that you want it to then be as well. So it's entirely up to you how you want to color this and what colors you want to use. Um, Next over here, since I closed the path with the oval, I can then start a new path. It's not going to make a line over. Uh, Here, I'm going to click only on A. We're going to click and drag from B to C. We're going to click on D and drag to E. We're going to click on F only. Just click. We're going to click on G and drag to H. We're going to click on I and drag to J. And then we have to close it by just clicking back on A, which closes the path. And once again, you can then change the color and change the border color if you want to. So that's our simple oval and heart. Um, Once you're done, you're going to do a file, save to cloud, so that you have your original file and you call it oval and heart. Um, and this is two, since I've already created the file. You're going to then download it. Uh, Once you export a JPEG, and it'll download a JPEG for you. And then what we're also going to do is we're in a file, download file, which you'll then have a Gravit file that you can then upload as well. I do like having two files. Two files allows one to be editable. So when you turn in the edited file, if for some reason I say, oh, that's completely wrong, or oh, I don't like your colors, you can go back in and change the colors. You can change the file. You can fix things. Uh, with the JPEG, you can't fix it. It's just a picture. And I need the picture so that we could actually add to a portfolio, or we could add to any social media or anything else that we want to then upload. So we need two files all the time. Whatever program we're using, we're going to save it in that program. And then we need an exported JPEG so that we can add to our other files. So this is our simple oval and heart. Let's see how that goes today.